Myntri ka Sarkar Jilla bad nang yalam ka UDP ba Krimen Shilla ulapan pau ya ka Sngewkhia ha ka bayade bad ka sain perthe ka bawanra ya Jaitbynriew ya ka neu ong ha ka bayade bad ka ne ka Lok Sabha election ka bala deb ha Meghalaya ula ong ba ki political leader bad ki riu seng sain perthe kimde ban kren ne penmi ya ki kular.
Actually, election, I will not say it's dirty when it comes to any kind of election, especially when it comes to Lok Sabha election or whether it is the MLA or MDCs. But it's just one thing I've seen, yeah, no doubt, all the party have tried the best and it went aggressively. We have seen some parties start blaming each other, and the saddest part is that what I feel, my personal feeling is that uh, telling something which is not correct to the public just to get the sympathy, just to get votes so that they will win the election. But in the end, nobody can prove that whatever they have spoken is true, or whatever they have promised, it can be fulfilled. We have seen promise has been made from time to time from the start. This is the 11th election for what to say for MLA. So it we have seen that one candidate, he start a promise, and in the end, next election he lost the election because he cannot deliver it. It shows here nobody is perfect and nobody can do everything that what the public expect. So promise something which cannot be delivered is not correct, and it shows that we are fooling the public. But better is that just tell them what is your view, what is your mission, what is your vision, so that you can do the best for the welfare of our people. By promise something which is not correct, I feel is a dirty game we play with the public. So yes, the election is over for this MP election 2024, no doubt. But it's just that from now on, I believe that the public, whoever they win, I mean, they give the votes, and whoever wins the election. So it's with the public gives the correct, votes to the right person, and he will be the best, the best for us to be a representative from one Shillong. So let's hope for the best, but I cannot blame anybody. But since we have the rights to vote, and we have the capacity to choose who's the best, so if somebody try to fool us, we should not be fooled by them. That is all I want to say.